we made it. I want to first and foremost give you guys a tour of the room before we mucky it up. So right here, you've got the secure lock. We also have the green check. Just make sure you're doing things like turning off the lights, making sure all the doors and windows are closed, and an evacuation route. When you come to the right, you've got a little stand with hangers so you can drop your bags, like purses, maybe keep your phone here right at the door where it's accessible, or your keys. Sorry, that was to the left. If I said right, I was mistaken. This is to the right. We've got a little kitchenette. So we'll start at the top and work our way down. We have everything now, because of COVID-19, is in pre-wrapped single-use wrapping. So we've got paper towels, that looks like bowls, cups, utensils, and a toaster. We also have our microwave oven. Down here we do have the ice canister, coffee maker. I'm very, very happy to see that they still have the Joffrey's coffee as well as the teas. I was really nervous that these were not going to be out anymore because I like having my tea in the morning. Paper towels, sink. Down here we've got storage and a trash can, and then the fridge, of course. Oop, there we go. It's a pretty decent sized mini fridge. We're gonna put water and Diet Coke in there for our stay. Moving on to the closet space. This is where we'll put our luggage. We have a recycle bin, ironing board and iron, some extra pillows, plenty of hangers, a safe, fire extinguisher, and luggage stand. This door's a little stuck. Turning to the left, we have the bathroom. So we've got plenty of drawer space. I'm not going to open every single drawer, but there's one. And then you've also got some cabinets down here with a hair dryer, it looks like. They do still have some amenities out. We've got a facial soap and a body lotion, as well as some tissues. You also have the pull-out mirror with the different zoom settings. So this one's, you know, normal, where this one's definitely closer up. And it does light up, so that's pretty cool. Forgot to turn on this light. There we go. We've got the shower room, toilet, oh, hidden Mickey, washcloths, toilet paper, the shower, and it does have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and it has like a sealed wrap over the top of the nozzles to show you that it has been sanitized. So you just remove that when you're ready to use. Towels on the back, full-size mirror on the door. So when you're checking your outfit, I'm in my school outfit because I just came from school.
So there's a cast member on the beach walkway telling everybody to put on their mask. So you definitely have to be wearing your masks.
On the beach?
Well, you know, the walkway down right out there.
Oh, on the walkway. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I thought, so, I was hoping like when you're on the beach.
I was just thinking outside, you wouldn't have to wear it, but they definitely are telling people, which I like because they don't really do it at Disney World.
Yeah. 2 beds, queen size. You've got the really pretty turtle picture.
Did you get over here already?
Yes. In between you have a nightstand with your phone, telephone codes, as well as more storage space. And then on this side, it's where we're kind of storing the luggage now. We literally dropped everything so I could film a little room tour. Another full-length mirror, some storage. I think that does pop up. Does it not? Maybe it's just a bench to sit and put your shoes on. Yeah, that doesn't pop up, but this does open. Dresser drawers. And again, more storage there. The remotes are individually sealed, again, to show that they've been sanitized. So that's really nice. Very large TV. Mom called prior to us arriving because she was wanting to know if they have Disney Plus on their TVs because she wanted to stream the new Mulan movie. They do not have Disney Plus, so you'll have to make sure you're bringing your own tablet, laptop, however you can log in to stream it. This shows you some enhanced cleaning things that they're doing. And then let's go outside where the hubs is. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get this thing around my arm. There we go. Hi, honey.
Hello.
We have a water view. Here's a chair. Oh my gosh, the store is not closing. There we go. Chair and table. Little chair. I kind of don't mind the little corner, little roof situation. Oh, it is totally fogging up because it's so humid, everybody. Sorry. That's Florida humidity for you. But there's the ocean right there. We're at Vero.
It's nice.
Let me clean you off. All right. That is our room. I'm gonna put everything away. Make sure everything looks nice and organized. But it's super cute. Mom says she actually likes this better without the, because in the past we've had a corner room, so there was like a long attached hallway, but we don't have that this time, and she says she thinks she likes this way better.
That might be better, I think, for small, you know, people with smaller kids, so there's like a separate room to put the crib. But I think this is better for us.
Yay! So fun.